Hi, my eaters, Judy here from justtoday.com, and today we're making steak fajitas. And I actually found tortillas that actually add flavor, believe it or not. And when it comes to fajitas, we need fresh tortillas. Today we are using bold flavors with a fresh experience. Let's hit the kitchen. First, in a pan, put in a tablespoon or so of olive oil. Then on low-medium heat, the sliced bell peppers in a pan. Then drop your sliced onions.
Dropping sliced
saute
onions into the
and sweat your veggies in the pan. Next, drop your pre-sliced, pre-seasoned chuck steak in with your veggies. Now, as the meat is heating up, we like it around medium rare. Add in your minced garlic and continue sauteing until your desired cook preference. In a separate pan, our spicy jalapeno flour tortillas are on medium heat for 10 to 15 seconds per side on dry skillet, or you can microwave. Did you know this spicy jalapeno tortilla is no joke? It adds real flavor, not just heat. La Superior said hola to avocado oil with beef tallow, the good stuff, because tortillas should do more than smell and taste amazing. They should be healthier choices too, right? Only real ingredients, no preservative, no fake flavors. I grabbed the flavor bundle with free shipping and save a couple bucks, because I'm all about savings. Today, it was definitely totally worth it. They offer free shipping once you hit that minimum. You know what I mean? When you add that in the cart and you hit that bell. Anywho, I just bundled a few flavors to get that free shipping because I'm all about that free shipping, okay? If you're curious and would like to give La Superior a try, simply visit our unique link down below for more info and grab yourself a pack of fresh tortillas using our coupon code of JustToday15 to get 15% off your order. When you use our unique coupon code of JustToday15, you save 15% off. And you are helping us by creating more videos like this one. And so thank you in advance for your support by subscribing, watching, and placing an order with La Superior. Now let's go back to our steak fajitas. As the steak fajitas are medium well, we are now ready to assemble our tortillas, okay? Enjoy with your favorite toppings like guacamole. Check out La Superior with our coupon code of JustToday15 and save 15% off. Let me tell you, it's worth it, especially when the groceries are too expensive right now. You know what I mean. Anyway, let me know in the comments below of what you think of these tortillas, and thank you for your amazing support by subscribing, watching, and placing an order with our unique link down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.